Hey, how's it going, folks? This is DJ with Rabbit Squirrel Garage, and today we're gonna Honda Shadow VLX 600 to work on. The customer wants me to go through it and basically just make sure everything's okay. I know he said for sure a light bulb is out, which is fine. We got lights to fix that. The major issue we have is that it will start up and idle, but as soon as you give it any throttle, it dies out. So I'm assuming pilot jet is clogged. So I may have to take it out, put it through the ultrasonic cleaner over there, and get the carburetor cleaned up. But should be quick and easy. Shouldn't take a whole lot of work to do, depending on how hard it is to get all that off. I've never worked on the Shadow VLX 600 before. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today, and hope you stay tuned and hope you enjoy the video. So be right back. Alright, let's get started on this. We know for sure, let's start with the big issue, which is the carburetor. So let's go ahead and start there and work our way through all the smaller parts. So yeah, here we go. I'm going to reroute this for him too. This is his little charger, trickle charger. So I'm going to reroute that for him and put it in a better spot for him. I hope you like it, bud. Anyway, here we go. Let's start by taking the seat and gas tank off. Two screws. Let's see if that comes off. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Whole thing come off. Okay, it comes off as one piece. Alright. Alright, easy enough. And it looks like the back seat just slides right in. It's got two little grooves that it slides into. So, yeah, just two bolts and seats off. Alright. Yeah, that washer's got some cracks in it, but for the most part it looks like it's still good, so we're not going to worry about it. Go ahead and turn the fuel off. Okay, we got the gas line disconnected. Now we need to remove that petcock. Not the whole thing, just the arm of it, making sure it stays on closed. We got that off. Now this should pull right out now. There it goes. Okay, yeah, just look at that petcock. It's weird. I've never seen one like that. It's like super long and got a screw going through the middle of it. So it makes it weird and awkward to get the tank off. I don't know why they would do that. Now we can get access to the carburetor. So we've got idle adjustment, the choke, and fuel pump, it looks like, and then the carburetor's over here. Yeah, let's hop over there and get that carburetor off. Let's go and get this air cleaner off and see what we're working with. Need an Allen wrench. Too big. Whoa, that was already loose. I didn't even have to do anything. Okay. It's just some fake. And of course these are going to be a different size completely. And one more. None of these are tight. None of them. Alright, there's the carb. And it's spitting gas down in there. And there's your air filter. Air filter looks brand new, so I'm not going to do anything with that. Alright, so we're going to use the Phillips on this right here. The clamp that holds it onto the intake. Or something. I don't know what it's holding onto. Another air box, looks like, maybe? Yeah, there we go. there's the carb. I don't know if you can see how brown it is down in there, but this is what's coming off of it. Let me zoom in for you. That's what the carb's looking like right now. So I think that's definitely our issue. All right, we'll go ahead and pull that off real quick. All right, let's go ahead and get this carburetor taken apart. Looks like we've got the float bowl, slider. Slider's moving, so that's good. Let's get this hose out of here. We'll just leave it on there for now. We don't need to take it off. This is the idle. Don't really need to take it off. We'll leave it on there for now. All we want to do is get this float bowl off. And somebody's definitely been in here. Look, I haven't touched that nut yet, or that screw yet, and it's chewed up. So somebody's definitely been in this. And it looks like they didn't use the correct screwdriver. This is a Japanese spec screwdriver. It works for all Japanese bikes. It's a completely different grind on the tip of the screwdriver. So you can tell somebody didn't use one. They use. Yeah, see that one? Look at it. It's completely, and I haven't even touched it yet. Look. I don't know if I'm able to get this off or not. Nope. Yeah, that one's, I mean, it's just chewed up. I can't get to it at all. And matter of fact, yeah, see, somebody's, the other ones aren't like that, are they? Yeah, that one is. Look, see how it's cut across? Somebody made it so that you can get a flathead on them. Two of them at least. This one and this one. So I got a flathead right here. Let's see if we can get it off with that. Yep. Alright, so no doubt in my mind somebody's been in here now. It's proof. Oops. Got it. Spring. Plastic bushing, and then this comes off. Alright, there's your float bowl. Notice the grime and all over it. That means it's been leaking fuel at some point. Now, it looks good on the inside. I'm not seeing any problem there. But that doesn't mean anything. Still get it cleaned up. And yeah, inside here the float looks like it's okay. Which I expected it would because the bike starts up and runs. But let's go ahead and pull it out anyway. Alright, there's the float. And we've got main jet, pilot jet. Let's just pull the jets out and see what they look like. Oh yeah. I'm holding this up to the light and it's completely clogged. You can't even see through the holes. Let's check the pilot jet. It's looking good. Yeah, not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and take the idle off. Get it out of our way. We don't need it right now. Alright, let's go ahead and take the top off too while we're at it. May as well. We're gonna have to. We're putting all this in the ultrasonic cleaner. There's no way around it. It all needs to go in. Alright, I think we're good. Let's go ahead and get this off too while we're at it. Alright, we're going to get all this in the bath. Alright, let's turn the bath on and get it ready. Alright, we've got the ultrasonic cleaner warming up, or as I like to call it, the bath. This is our setting here. It's at 40 degrees Celsius. Currently it's at 17. We're going to build up to 40. And this is the timer. That means it's 30 minutes. You can change it to whatever you want. 30 minutes is the maximum. 15 minutes is usually okay. I like to just go ahead and do 30 because it can't hurt anything. So I just do 30 and be done with it. And sometimes I have to do it twice at 30 minutes. So yeah, I'll just let this warm up a bit and we'll be back. Okay, these are all the parts we're going to put into the parts cleaner. And here's what I do. I take plastic jars and just, regular Ziploc or Glad in this case, containers. And like in this jar, I'll put all the small stuff so it doesn't get lost. And that's just water right there right now. But what I do is I then mix it with my Simple Green heavy duty cleaner. So yeah. There we go. Put the lid back on it. Now we're going to do the same thing with this Ziploc container. Put everything inside of it. That's not going to fit, is it? Tell you what, let's put that in. We'll wash this one by hand. We'll just do the slide by hand. That way I'm not wasting a whole other thing. And we fill the rest of this up with our cleaner. Right to the top. Alright. Put the lids on them. And now we just drop them into the cleaner. It's nice, I don't know if you can see, but it's definitely warm now. So, oh yeah, I can feel it. And there we go. So, they're now in the cleaner, just like that. And that's all we have to do. The ultrasonic works right through the plastic, so it's not a problem at all. So let's go ahead and get it turned on. Wait, no. It's not focusing very well, is it? Again, we're using Simple Green heavy duty cleaner. So we're going to put it on 30 minutes. Put the lid back on and start it. I have to walk away because my hearing aids do not like this sound at all. So we'll come back in about a half an hour or so and see what we did. Alright, the cleaner is done now, and I'm going to go ahead and unplug it. And let's go ahead and pull some parts out and see what it looks like. We'll start with the jar. Wow, that doesn't look bad at all. So, I mean, the fluid's still good in there. It doesn't look like there was much to get taken off of it. So that's good. And let's look at the big one. This one should be nasty. Oh yeah, look at that water. Look at the water in that one. Yeah, that is dirty. Let's pull a part out and just have a look at it and see. If you remember the bottom, the bowl was very nasty. And look at it now. Cleaned it up really nicely. Really nice. The carb itself also. Look at that. Looks almost brand new. All right, well, so from this point, what I do is I take the carb and anything that I've, that has passages like the carburetor body itself and the float bowl, and I'll spray compressed air through them just to try to clear out all the ports. Then I'm going to take it in the house and run it under hot water for a couple of minutes to, really finish it out and get rid of all the simple green that's all over it. Alright folks, we're going to call it there. It's getting chilly out here in the garage, and pretty much going to have to turn the heater on soon. It's getting pretty cool out here. But yeah, we're going to end that one here, and tomorrow we'll pick it back up with putting the carburetor back on and seeing if it'll do anything more than just idle. But yeah, we ran it through the ultrasonic cleaner. Everything looks clean now. And again, we use this Simple Green Pro HD Heavy Duty Cleaner. It says all in one. This stuff works great. I mean, it's cleaned up everything I've thrown at it. So it's good at cleaning up tires too, by the way. I don't know if you've seen the Yamaha Virago tires, but I used that Simple Green to clean them, and they look brand new. So yeah, that stuff works great. Anyway, okay, we're going to call it there, and I appreciate y'all watching. And if you could, go ahead and hit that thumbs up and, subscribe. It shows me that, you like what I'm doing.